This time of year, which is in September, is the best time of year to dig up and divide your spring blooming or summer blooming perennials. And right here today, we're going to be digging up this really overgrown, spread out big canna. You want to come out a little bit from the crown so you're not chopping through the part that you want to keep. Some of the other varieties you can dig up are daylilies, verbena, phlox, yarrow. There's a lot. Anything that blooms in the spring can be dug up and divided this time of year. Oh yeah, look at there. We got 3 big nice stalks. Now I did kind of cut through one of them here, but that's okay. You know, you've still got a good viable crown here going on in a bunch of tubers. So now you're ready to transplant that to another area of the garden. And because by this time of year, you know, the top has kind of done its thing more or less, you can go ahead and cut this off. Now I've got some clippers, or you can just do this. There you go. Now you're ready to put it in another part of the garden.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.